Ever dream of ditching the chunky wallet and endless currency exchange queues on your travels? YouTrip promises a magical solution, a sleek multi-currency card that lets you spend abroad like a local. But before you jump on the YouTrip bandwagon, let's take a critical look. Is YouTrip the travel superhero it claims to be, or is there a hidden villain lurking beneath the shiny surface? The allure of YouTrip. We all know the travel struggle. You land in a new city, pockets overflowing with foreign bills, unsure of the exchange rate you just got ripped off on. YouTrip swoops in, promising a hassle-free haven. Load your card with your preferred currencies beforehand, and spend overseas with ease. Sounds pretty fantastic, right? The not-so-secret fees. Hold on a minute, Globetrotters. YouTrip might be convenient, but it's not entirely fee-free. Here's where the villain starts to peek through the mask. Top-up fees. Every time you add money to your YouTrip card, there's a sneaky little fee waiting. It might not seem like much for a small top-up, but those charges can add up quickly, especially on extended trips. ATM fees. Traveling often involves unexpected cash needs. Unfortunately, YouTrip doesn't offer local ATM withdrawals. If you need cash, you'll still have to face those pesky withdrawal fees elsewhere. Foreign transaction fees. YouTrip claims to eliminate foreign transaction fees, but that's not the whole story. While they don't add an explicit fee, their exchange rates might not be the most competitive. Remember, when you exchange currencies through YouTrip, you're essentially buying their exchange rate, which might be slightly less favorable than the interbank rate. Limited functionality. YouTrip excels at overseas spending, but that's kind of its only trick. Unlike some competitors, YouTrip doesn't allow you to easily send or receive international payments. This can be a major drawback if you're traveling for work or need to transfer funds back home. The great YouTrip debate. So, is YouTrip a total travel villain? Not necessarily. Here's the deal. YouTrip shines for frequent travelers. If you take regular short trips and prioritize convenience over absolute cost efficiency, YouTrip can be a good option. The ease of use and competitive, but not unbeatable, exchange rates make it a decent choice. Consider alternatives for specific needs, for long-term travel, where cash might be necessary, or for frequent international money transfers, explore options like Wise or multi-currency bank accounts. These might offer lower fees and more functionality. YouTrip, the takeaway. YouTrip offers a convenient way to manage travel expenses, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Be aware of the fees, limited functionality, and compare exchange rates before you commit. Remember, the best travel companion is an informed one. Weigh the pros and cons, and choose the option that best suits your travel style and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.